Leading shades, unraveling the nuance in language. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, leading shades. It's a fascinating expression that carries more meaning than it might seem at first glance. So, let's dive in and understand what leading shades truly means in different contexts. The phrase, leading shades, is not a common idiom or phrase in English, and it might not be found in standard dictionaries or phrase books. However, understanding it involves breaking down the words leading and shades. Leading refers to something that is most important, influential, or in the forefront. Shades, on the other hand, can mean subtle differences or variations in color or meaning. When combined, leading shades could suggest the most prominent or important nuances or aspects of a situation. To better understand leading shades, let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. 1. Art and design. In this painting, the artist has focused on the leading shades of blue to convey a sense of calm. 2. Business and strategy. Our company needs to consider the leading shades of market trends to stay ahead. 3. Personal relationships. Understanding the leading shades of your partner's emotions can lead to a stronger relationship. In each of these examples, leading shades is used to denote the most important or prominent elements within a given context. While leading shades might not be a common phrase, it can be used creatively in everyday English. Here are some tips. Be context-aware. Use the phrase in situations where highlighting nuances or subtle differences is important. Combine with descriptive language. Pair leading shades with descriptive words for more impact, like the leading shades of opinion in the debate. Practice with metaphors. This phrase lends itself well to metaphorical language, so practice using it in figurative ways. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, leading shades. It's a unique and expressive way to talk about the important nuances in various aspects of life. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the shades of meaning they convey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the art of using phrases like leading shades effectively in English. See you in our next video.